This 2024 East to West Blackthorn Half-Ton 27 BHOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Conroe, Texas, 77301 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Conroe. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West and features ARTISAN MAPLE interior, sleeps 9, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.